Hey guys, Mr. Dueñas here. Today I'm going to help you sign up for Smart Music. This is a platform we're going to be using to help you learn and practice your region music. So the first thing you want to do is go to smartmusic.com. Then in the upper right hand corner you'll see a login/sign up button and you click on that. Alright, after that you will see a white button that says create an account. So we want to go ahead and click on that, and then you'll see a create an account box here. So you want to click on country, United States of America, and then are you at least 13 years old? Yes. And go ahead and fill out the rest of the information. Go ahead and put your first name, last name, you have an email, you have an optional backup email, then you create a username that is easy for you to remember, and a password, of course. And then you will click on I am using Smart Music as a student. All right, then you click on your primary instrument. So I'm going to put B flat trumpet for mine. Then you have a secondary instrument is optional. And of course, click on I have read and agree to the terms and condition. So then after that, you click submit, right? They will send you an email for you to confirm. All right, so now go to primary email and you will look for an email from team@makemusic.com, and then in there you will click on the button that says confirm your email. So you want to go ahead and click on that and it will take you to a different page, and your account has been verified now. So you put your email in there, your password, and click on login, and you're done. All right, now that you are in Smart Music, you'll see a home screen that is empty, right? So on the upper right hand corner, there's a white button with a blue plus sign. Click on that and it says join a class. So go ahead and click on it. Here are the following class codes for your class. Once you've inputted the class code, you will click on find your class, and the little message says you are joining Wind Ensemble with Paul Brott. Join this class. Right, once you finally click that button, you will see that you're in a class, and there will be some assignments there for you to practice on that have your region music.